unexpected today. What? How is your DMB song doing? The one playing in the background? Yeah, that one. Did you get 1 million streams yet? Sometimes I really wonder if you work for my side. But anyway, it's been good. 1500 streams so far. Organic doesn't work. That's why I called him to help you. I have talked to your manager. For your dub song, I have a playlist 30 million followers. You should give you 100,000 to 50,000 streams a day. All for $30. See? Problem solved. What? Don't you say it's a scam? Now, who's gonna be negative here? Man, not even Repavier has that many followers. And how did you get so many followers? Ads, bots, invisible! Amazing, goodbye millions of streams. What now? Man, organic is the way. People are much better than what you think. They will prove you damn wrong. No way. It's not gonna work. You already tried once, it didn't work at all. So what are you gonna do?